see here, right here now, see? That's the way to do that. I like this better. I like to be on the side or right back of the patient. I like to be on this side of the patient. Now here's our subluxation. Now it's rotatory scoliosis like this, for instance. See? Now here's your 12th dorsal. Here's your first lumbar. Now the reason it's difficult all the way through. See here, how close the 12. The transverse of 12 is to the mammillary of 1. Most of you fellows now, when you get up here, you're on both of those vertebrae. See how close they are? If you get up in there, if you get up here like this here, for instance, you're on 2 vertebrae. See? Because they're so close. Now, in order to separate that, we'll have this right rotatory scoliosis there, for instance. What I like to do now is to get my thumb up here like this. Hold it right there, and you got to go superior. Then get your pisiform here like this, see? And then you just get your line of drive. You just hold that there, doctor. Get your line of drive like this here now, see? See, now when the line of drive comes in, and see here what it does? See how that's corrected? It works out very effectively. See here? Just like this here. Now, when you get down to the first lumbar, it's very close here too, see here? Now, when you get to the first lumbar, you've got to slant your thumb down this way. The 12th dorsal has got to be superior. The first lumbar has got to be down that way, but your thrust is also anti-clockwise. But you want to get onto the transverse of the first lumbar, mammillary and transverse. Here you just get the transverse of 12. Look at now 11, how small that is. 10, but the rest of them, of course, are easier to get a hold of. Now these others here, now if you get a transverse of these dorsals up here, for instance, here's the better way to do that. I like to stand on the opposite side of the rainbow. Then I like to hook this right up here like this here, see? And then instead of getting like this here, I like to get this opposite side like this here, see? Here's the way to do that. See, like this here, then get this here right here like that, see? Steady that, and then brace this and set it down. That keeps it from rolling. But if you only use a single contact on that, it's better to use this part of your pisiform right here, see, and come in this way, or the phenar rather. I can get in better with the phenar than you can with your pisiform. See here, pisiform takes in the big area. Your phenar comes in there very nice, see? It hooks right in there. But the trouble of it is we use two throughout contact. And you've got to get inside the muscle, which I'm going to show you on the knee chest table. You've got to get inside here, not on top over here. Most of us are adjusting up here, see?
Working it by a phenar like
see, get right up here. What's that?
Working it by a phenar like this.
You got to develop that, see? See here? Yeah. Yeah. But listen, fellows, when you get on to adjusting this 11, 12, and 1 with your thumb, I can adjust most of them with my thumb. I don't need to use anything else, just your thumb. But get inside the muscle in so doing, see? It'll adjust so easy, especially on the knee chest table. And then let the patient drop its abdomen down, but don't let them force it down. Just let it down easy. If they force it, then it tightens for you, see?